Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Alipay app. And quite a lot of number of people have reached out to me about the issue of Alipay verification fail, or they are unable to verify their Alipay account, or they do not have international passport for identity verification in Alipay. And the question that always asks me is that can they really use Alipay account without verify with international passport? So the answer is yes, and at the same time is no. Now I'm going to explain everything you need to know about being verified in Alipay with international passport and Alipay without international passport. Now, if you verify with your international passport on Alipay, you'll be able to make deposits into your Alipay balance. Let me walk you through. So in your Alipay balance, I'm going to click on my account right here. So this is for identity verification in Alipay. So if I click on my balance right here, you see available balance in my Alipay wallet right here, just like what you see right here. You can only do this if your Alipay account is being fairly verified with your international passport. And at the same time, you'll be able to receive payment from anybody for as long as your Alipay account has been verified with international passport. So these are the things you can do. These are the major things you can do if your Alipay account is being verified with international passport. However, if your Alipay account has not been verified, maybe you do not have international passport, or when you are trying to verify, it keeps failing you in the verification process, the only thing is that you will not be able to do this major features or major function in Alipay. If your account is not verified with international passport, you will not be able to make deposits into Alipay account, and you will not be able to send out payment in your Alipay account. But every other features in Alipay, you can actually use it at your own fullest, such as some of these features right here. All these features here, you can use it in your Alipay. The only thing you cannot do is to receive payment and send out payment with your Alipay account until you are fully verified with your international passport. It's that simple. So these are the things you need to know about Alipay that has been verified and the Alipay that has not been verified as far as identity verification on Alipay is concerned. If you still have questions for me as far as this particular tutorial is concerned, you can put your question in the comment section down below, or better still, you can reach out to me on my WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video for any further information about what you need to know about your Alipay account. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.